Oh man, I'm like a kid on Christmas Day. Got me something from Traxxas. Anyway, how's everybody doing? I'm doing an unboxing video because apparently people watch these things. I don't know why, but anyway, got something from UPS today. And it is a Raptor. Wait. Got me an extra battery, an AC charger. But here's the real deal that I am so happy about. My friends thought it would be a great idea if we all got the same RC car and raced them in my yard. And I think that's brilliant. So there we go. There it is. The Traxxas Raptor. I don't really own any RC cars right now, so it's pretty cool. I haven't had one since I was a kid. Truck of the year, best electric truck, best short circuit truck, all sorts of good stuff. Anyway, I think this is based upon the Slash platform that Traxxas offers. I did a little bit of research before I bought this thing. And yeah, pretty cool. I'm pretty excited about this. Alright, so this comes with its own ginormous radio control. Nice foam knob here. I guess for extra traction when you did. Yeah, anyway. Okay, it's cool. So we have this, and alright. Ourselves a pretty damn big truck here. I'm expecting it to be this large. Holy cow. This is a monster truck. Okay, it's like the whole freaking box is the truck. An antenna, and that's it. Is it built Ford Tough? Yes. So in case you're wondering how freaking large this thing is, I actually have some bananas for scale. So yeah, it's a very big truck. I'd say it's probably 2 feet long by a foot or so wide. And yeah, it looks like it's going to be a ton of fun. So the box comes with a DC charger, which is completely useless. I can't imagine plugging this into your car or whatever to super slowly charge these 3,000 milliamp hour batteries. But anyway, would highly recommend getting an AC charger like this one. Traxxas has a lot of proprietary stuff, so I don't know if any old charger will work, but that's what I bought. It was like $55 or something. And got some stickers for my computer case. Looks like we got some extra little clips and parts for probably the wheels and the shocks and all that sort of stuff. So upon attempting to get this thing set up, the one thing I see that it does not come with is batteries for your radio control. So you're going to need 4 AA batteries in case you are one of the people that's thinking about purchasing one of these yourself. The next thing you're going to want to do is install your antenna. And that's this right here. Be real careful with it. And what you want to do is feed it through here. Okay, so you get the antenna down in here. You gotta maybe like split it open a tiny bit with your fingernail. Anyway, once you do, you then can screw this nut on. And apparently the next part is to connect the battery. I don't know if the battery that came with this has any juice in it, but we'll give it a try. Here. It's red. This thing's got a pretty beefy suspension too. I mean, look at this. Independent link suspension. Very cool.
It's too fast.
Alright, changing the battery on this is pretty easy, and I can't believe how quickly this charged. Probably like 20 minutes to get this thing full power. So that's pretty cool. You undo the clip here, take this thing off, take the battery pack out, put the new one in, put the new thing back on, like so. Plug these two back together. And we're good to go. It's all broken in. Thanks for watching.